Hey everybody, Billy from LM Cases here, and today we are going to take a look at a pretty unique case that we just finished up. So this case holds channel cards for a Midas Heritage 2000 analog console. So in the year 2022, this is a pretty unique case. So the case is built out of 1/4-inch plywood laminated with black ABS plastic, and the interior is lined with 1-inch anti-static PE foam, which is why it's pink. Pink signifies that it is an anti-stat foam. So we use anti-static foam on anything that is a raw PCB. It just prevents any static buildup and discharge for wrecking any board-mounted components. So a bit of a unique case in 2022, considering that analog consoles are pretty out of style. This is something that we used to do a lot back in the day. So for analog consoles, you can, or I should say larger format analog consoles that have modular channels, you can pull out cards as you need and then just replace them or repair them and not take your whole console out of commission. So this case holds extra cards. It holds 4. And the purpose here is to send them either out for repair or to take them with you with the console when it is on a show. So if you have a bad card during a show, you can pop this out and put a new one in. So this is designed to hold 4 of these, and I am going to show you really quick how they go in. So the back cards go in like this. And then we have a separate loose piece of foam that separates them like this. And the front ones follow the same procedure. All right, so looking at the cards in the case, these are super nice and snug. So the idea with this case is that they're simple to load and then also durable enough to ship UPS if need be. All right, so that wraps up this video. If you have any questions, you can email me direct, billy@lmcases.com. Check us out on Instagram, lm_cases, or by going to our old school website of lmcases.com. Thanks so much for stopping by. Hope you have a great day.